want to welcome you all to 2024 Objective Question Solution Set. This one promises to be an interesting one, and as we go through these lessons, we will be answering the questions and we believe that the answers provided here are accurate. But in any case, you find out that some of the answers given are not correct, please show it to us in the comment section below. And we will most definitely do justice to that in coming videos. I want to also use this opportunity to really appreciate as many as are who follow me up, who have subscribed to this channel and always sending their calls, their comments, and everything. They contribute and encourage me. In fact, your works, whatever you do online for the sake of this channel, encourages me to do more for the cause of technical drawing students. And I think that is one of the reasons why I didn't want to waste time this time around to make sure that this solution set is out not long after this exam was taken 2 days ago. It was a very, very nice experience. And so, as we walk into this, please kindly follow us one after the other as we solve these problems, one of the other ones. All right, now please, I want to therefore officially welcome you fully to this section. Now, what you see on the screen, of course, exactly is what you're going to see the moment you walk into you open page 2 of your question paper. After you are given something of this nature, this is the question paper we will be answering. And as we take this things one after the other one, we will see to it that we treat everything in detail to help us capture the whole idea. So this is what you see, and they have given you the picture of how you are to answer the questions. You can see on this particular spot where they shaded this correct answer. They gave us example how to shade. So please don't ever cross shade. To shade in such a manner that it will reflect and affect another letter in the square box. All right, so let's begin. Section 1 of this particular answer has to do with purely geometry, another part of what technical drawing. Something unique happened in this year's exam. We discovered that NECO, the way NECO used to set exam before, WAEC adopted that this time around. So there was a slight change in the content of the curriculum. We noticed that now they bring in AutoCAD questions. In other words, CAD questions, computer-related issues into the exam. So we're going to answer them. And some of the physics or electrical and science-related topics were also integrated along the line. So as we go, I pray that you're going to get the whole point clarified. The questions begin. The actual area of a building plan is this. When represented on the scale diagram, the area of the sketch plan becomes 200 meters square. Use the information provided to give answer. I will give you to answer questions 1, 2, 3. That's question number 1. What is the linear scale used on the sketch plan? So check out the video that comes after this one. Now, question number 1 says, what is the linear scale used on the sketched, on the sketched plan? This is how you're going to deal with this problem as it applies. First of all, we'll convert the 2 units to 1 unit. That will enable us to do the work. So we already have that this one is 200 millimeters square, and the other one is 1,800 meters square. Wisdom suggests we convert this to millimeters so that we can work with uniform value. And to do that, remember, this is area. That means 2 figures, 2 things were multiplied. If I am to get 1,800, there are several ways to get that. One of them is 200, all right? You can say 220 times, maybe 900, or rather, 20 times 90, it can give us that, perhaps. Let's put it this way. Or rather, 2 times 900 can give us the same thing. We will get the same amount. But do you know that if it is 20 meters times 90 meters, there are two values here. That means if I'm going to convert this one to, I need to convert this one to millimeters to get what I mean, and convert this one to millimeters. And to do that, I will need to multiply this by 100 to convert it to millimeters. Thereby converting it to 2000 times this one 2 by 100 times 100 times 100. This will give me 2000 times 9000. And if you are to bring this here, we are simply just going to multiply her by 10,000, and that will give us the correct conversion. So we have this one, 1800 multiplied by 10,000 millimeters. So we have succeeded in converting it. It will give us 200 millimeters square is equals to 1,800 million or 1,800 millions. Alright? 18 millions. That's what we have here. Millimeters square. Alright? Now, in this case, we will have this in here. Sorry, the square here. We can divide this one and give us this one. 2 we cancel here, giving us 9. Therefore, we have 1 millimeter can cancel millimeter. So the ratio becomes is equals to 90,000. Therefore, the ratio now, it becomes automatically 1 ratio 90,000. And this gives us the answer B. Question number 2. If the actual area of a room in the building plan is 450 meters square, what will be the area of the sketched plan? Well, check out the video that comes after this one. It will explain everything. We are already giving the ratio of 200 millimeters square as against 1,800 meters square. So, what shall we get when the area now is what? 450 meters square. Just cross multiply, and this will become what? 450 meters square times 200 millimeters square is equal to 1800 meters square times x. We can now simply divide this by 1,800 meters square, and here 1,800 meters square. And this one's eliminated. We are left with x is equals to what? This one takes away this one. Alright? 0 cancel 0 cancel 0. Right? Then we have 2 here gone. We have 1. And then we also have this 2 comes here, becomes 9. Do you see that? So this time this is going to become 450 all over 9 is equal to x. Automatically x is equal to 50. And then the answer here is D. The answer is D. Question number 3. If the length of a wall on the sketch plan is 1.8 centimeters, what is the actual length of the wall? Wow, beautiful. So check out the video that comes after now. It explains how you get this. 100 millimeters square is the same thing as 1,800 meters in real surface. So this one will provide us with the ratio. Now let us apply it to the length. Ratio can be used to solve anything, so we are applying it on the length. Now the length given to us is also in centimeter. So how do we do this? Before we do that, let us convert this one to centimeter as well. To do that, we divide by 100 because 1 centimeter is the same. 1 centimeter is 10 millimeters, and if it's area, 10 times 10 is 100. So divide by 100. That will convert this ratio to 2 centimeters square is equals to 1.8 meters square. Is that one clear? So now, on the paper, if now the region is this 1 centimeter square, what will it be in real life in terms of meters square? What will be the height of the wall be? So we now cross this in. Sorry, it is centimeter, not centimeter square. We can cross multiply. We have 2x multiply by 1.8. Is that clear? Therefore, we divide both sides by 2. We divide here by 2. This one will cancel. Now have x is equals to, we will multiply this. 1800. Let's multiply. 1.8 multiplied by 1800. What I'm having now is 32. Is 3240 divided by 2. And therefore, if we divide, we're going to have what? Divide by 2. Divide by 2. We have 1620. But this one is in centimeters. To now convert it to meters, divide by 100. That's 100. Therefore, the value becomes 16.2 meters. This is the height of the wall. And the correct answer in this case becomes B. Question number 4. Which of the following lines is used to show limit of partial view? The answer to this one is A. Number 5. To boot a computer, do you see a question the computer has come in? Means to A. The correct answer here is C. Question number 6. You see AutoCAD question. Now coming in here, the extension for saving AutoCAD drawing is, the answer is B. The correct answer is B. Please take note of that. Question number 7. Which of the following represents the correct sectional plan of the section MM in figure 1? Right? So the correct answer here is D. So just look at that very closely. Question number 8. Figure 2 shows the intersection of two unequal cylinders. They are unequal. So which of the following views show the correct curve of intersection between the two cylinders? The correct answer in this question is C. Question number 9. Now the type of dimension is shown in figure 3 is A. Reference dimension, B. Chain dimension, C. The answer is B. Chain dimension. Question number 10. Which of the following is a solid figure? It's a solid figure. The solid figure here is prism. Actually, it's supposed to be solid shape, but it is a figure to confuse you. So the answer is B. Prism. Question number 11. Now it comes from this one. They say the sketch in figure 4 shows a pictorial view of a type of block. Use it to answer questions 11 to 13. And so follow me up as we look at it. Question 11. The plan of the block is, so watch out the video that comes after now, it will give you the correct answer. The plan of the block. That means when you look at this thing from the top, what will you see? Please, the correct answer is C. It is C. It's C because this mouth is not at the same level with this. It draws back. Hence, the availability of you having the plan coming like this. Because the bottom draw line, there have to be dashed line like this, showing that the lower part here is not at the same level with this, draws back. Do you get that? Question number 12. The left hand elevation of the block is what? Yes, check out the video that comes after this, and then you will get how the decision was arrived at. Number 12. The left hand view of the object is, so looking at it from here, we agree that this particular part is not cut through because it has this kind of appearance. For that reason, the answer that we're going to have, meaning if you have to look at it from the back, which is the left side, this place will cut up. You still have a space at the bottom, giving the chance that at the back we're going to have D as the correct answer. Because if this one is here, then there is a mouth here also that needs to be seen from the back, but it's not visible. So dash line will be used to show that one. Question number 13. The right hand elevation of the block is what? Very well. Check out the video that comes after now. Then, number 13. We have already sketched it here. You can see from here that the correct answer is A. In number 13, the correct answer is already A. So we sketched it here. Question number 14. The plan and the front elevation of a block are shown in figure 5. This is diagram. Now, which of the following views represents the correct auxiliary view of the block in the direction of the arrow Q? Well, this one needs to be illustrated. So the diagram, the video clip that comes after now, will explain it for you. On the diagram, they say we are looking in this direction, auxiliary. Okay, so let us project it. The lines will go like this. Copy these ones. Bring them here. Copy this one. Let me call here A, B, C. And I call this one A. Copy the other one. It is B. Copy that one. It is C. So what are we to get in this diagram? Let us get it going. So in this case, for this point on this side, A and C will join on this particular line. So A and C, this one will join. This one too will join, because they are all on this line. Then on this place, B and C join. B and C will join. Is it visible? As you are looking from here, we will see this. So B and C will join. Okay? C, B and C will join. How? In this place, it's A and B that join only here. That join. So I want this only here to here will join. This one will join. Here, okay, it's dash line, so this one has already covered. We have dash line here. Correct. We join that one. Now, on top, we have this thing like this. What about here? Is going to be only this, this, and this. So if you check this one now, you discover that what we have here, the correct answer to this particular diagram is nothing but word C.
Are you taking technical drawing this year and want to excel? Look no further than ZealTech Tutorials, the leading online platform dedicated to your success. At ZealTech, we understand the importance of a strong foundation in technical drawing. Our comprehensive online tutorials, tailored specifically for students like you, will equip you with the skills and knowledge to conquer your exams, whether it's your internal assessments or external examinations and A-levels. Our experienced tutors, with a proven track record, will guide you step by step through the intricacies of technical drawing. With interactive lessons, clear explanations and real-world examples, you'll gain a deep understanding of key concepts like orthographic projection, principles of tangency, auxiliary drawing, and many more. But ZealTech isn't just about lectures. We provide a supportive learning system with dedicated forums, a WhatsApp group, and interactive exercises, allowing you to master the skills and get personalized feedback at your own pace. Over the years, ZealTech has nurtured a legacy of exceptional students consistently achieving top results. Join our growing community and unlock your full potential in technical drawing. Enroll with ZealTech Tutorials today and take your first step towards a bright future in the world of engineering and design.
Question number 15. Which of the following electrical symbol represents fuse? This fuse has come into TD. Well, the answer for this one is D. Question 16. Which of the following electrical symbol represents variable resistor? Well, of course, we know the correct answer here is C. Question number 17. The locus of a point which moves such that its distance from the focus equals its perpendicular distance from the directrix is called what? The answer is parabola. So the correct answer is A. Question number 18. The sketch in figure shows a perspective drawing. All right, the eye level in the perspective drawing is located at the point X, nothing more. So the answer is B. Question number 19. If the total interior area of a regular polygon is 54, correct, 54, all right, 540, sorry. The name of the polygon is what? So check out the video below. Simple mathematics should be able to resolve this one for us, number 19. You should take care of this one for us, okay? Now let's look at it. We know the formula. That the internal angle of a polygon is normally given by n minus 2 divide, multiply by what? 180. Total internal has been given as what? 540, which is equals to n minus 2. All over what? 180. Divide both sides by 180. Divide both sides by 180. Alright, this cancel this and this. We're going to have 3 is equals to n minus 2. Therefore, n is equals to 3 plus 2. So, n is equals to 5, which gives us pentagon. The polygon has 5 sides and it is pentagon. So the correct answer for this one is D. Now question number 20. If each interior angle of a regular polygon is 60, the name of the polygon is what? There is a small illustration to be made in the video below. It will tell you how the answer is arrived at. Well, if external angle is given, this is how you do it. External angle is equals to 360 divided by number of sides. So we don't know the number of sides. So say cross multiply. We say external angle is equals to 360 divided by n. Therefore, n will become 360 multiplied by external angle. External angle is given as 60. Therefore, number of sides is equals to 360 divided by 60. And when you cancel, you're going to have n is going to be 6. It has 6 sides. What's the name of that? It is what? Hexagon. The correct answer for this is C. That's question 21. One application of arrow-headed line is what? The answer is simply dimensioning. C is the correct answer. Question number 22. Which of the following types of drawing represents views in 2 dimensions? Of course, the answer is C. The only one that is in 2 dimensions here is orthographic drawing. Question number 23. The sketch in figure 7 shows a solid hexagonal prism. It was cut through. So the answer, the sectional view on SS is what? The correct answer here is illustrated by the video that comes after now. The answer is A. The answer is A. How do we get it? If you are to proceed to this one is cut off like this. Let us send it here. Let us send it here. Let's send this one first. We have believed that this is that in this shape as if we are looking at it from this side. When we are looking at it from this side, this is what we're going to see. This object will appear. Certainly. But this one is, since you are looking from here, if this is the length or the height of the prism, then you cannot see this one. So it's going to be dashed line. You can't see this one. Okay, it's going to be dashed line. This area has been removed. It has been removed. So what we are left with is this one. This thick one. This area has been removed. So what we are left with is thick one. That means from here to here has been affected by cutting tool. Then here and here are this extension and the other one that. Even in the drawing itself, this dash line is supposed to appear, but it's not there. So perhaps that's it. So but what I want to let us know in this case is that the correct section in this case is B. 24. Which of the following values can be the eccentricity of hyperbola? Hyperbola is always greater than 1. So the answer is D. Question number 25. Which of the following angles cannot be constructed with a pair of compass, ruler, and pencils only? The correct answer here is B. It's B. You can control 44.5 using this instrument mentioned. The true shape of the section surface of the solid cone in figure 8 is in the shape of what? The answer is hyperbola, C. Question number 27. In figure 9. The true length of TF is what? The correct answer is MF, and that is or FM, which is C. Number 28. One example of chord is what? Every other chord is a line that starts from one end of a circle to the other one. No any other line does that here as a straight line. The only one that does it is diameter. The answer is what? A, correctly. Question number 29. Which of the following shapes is not a possible section of a solid cone? It's not a section of a possible shape. All right. This happened to be a question from WAEC. I can say that has no answer. If you go on that conic section, we are told that cone has 5 places you can cut it. first one is this way, vertical. Let me call it A and A. The second one is horizontally. Let me call it B and B. The third one is this direction. Let me call it C and C. Then the fourth one is this way. Let me call it D and D. The fifth one is along this way, across the object. Let me cut it like this. Let me call this one E and E. Each of these sections give us a particular shape. When it is A and A, then you look in that direction. What you get is triangle. When you cut it in BD, you get a circle as a shape. When you cut it CC, you get hyperbola as a shape. When you cut it DD, you're going to get parabola as a shape. And lastly, when you cut it, parabola, then when you cut it EE, in section EE, it's going to give us an ellipse. Now, check these 5 names. Are they not all present in this list? They're all here. Since they are all here, then what do we say? This particular question doesn't have an answer. It's supposed to be what? A bonus to all the students. Is that okay? Question number 30. The value of each exterior angle of an equilateral triangle is this. Equilateral. So it's equilateral. That means the interior angle is, each of them is 60. So the outside one will be 180, 120. So the correct answer is simply C. Now, this is section B. We have just finished section A, which has to do with geometry. Now we are into building drawing. So I want you to pay attention. For those of you in schools where they teach building drawing, the answers you are going to give now will give you the correct answer. And the answer you get here is the same answer you're going to get in machine drawing, which is part 2. Which of the following material symbol represents a stool? The correct answer here is D. That's the symbol for a stool. 32. Which of the following roof is hip roof? The correct answer here is A. That's the correct answer. 33. Which of the following roof is gable roof? The correct answer for this one is D. That's gable roof. Please take note of that. Question 34. Which of the following roof is not prone to damage? Is most prone to damage by wind blowing from the right hand direction? The correct answer is B. Yes, anywhere it can be removed easily. 35. The part labeled M of the staircase shown in figure 10 is, well, the correct answer is stringer. It's the side of a staircase. It is called stringer. Right? Take note of that. Please, the answer is A. Figure 11 shows a part of a building foundation. So we are to use this to answer question 36 and 37. So let us go into the questions right away. 36. The type of foundation shown in the sketch is what? It is deep strip foundation. C is the answer. Deep strip foundation. 37. The part labeled S in the diagram is called what? Wall. The part labeled S is wall. Number 38. Now, the part labeled T on the staircase shown in figure 12 is what? The answer is A, well. The answer is well. 39. The layer of mass, concrete, between the foundation and the soil is called what? Slab. This concrete slab. Yes, it is slab. The answer is D. Number 40. Which of the following part of the panel door in figure 13 is tile? The answer is Q, which is D. The answer is Q. That's the part level style called style. Now, part 2 of section B is mechanical drawing. It's optional. So there's another school that will concentrate on this. Like in my own school, this is where we pay more attention on. So at this moment, let's jump straight right into the answers. Which of the following rivet is called flat-headed rivet? The correct answer is D. flat-headed. Question number 32. The convention shown in figure 14 represents what? The answer is what line of symmetry about two axes. Correct. Two axes. This is one axis and the other one. 33. The portion labeled P on the solid shown in figure 15 is called what? A would be rebate, C bevel, and then D undercut. It is called undercut. Question number 16 is a diagram. All right, we are seeing figure 16 as a diagram. It shows a hand tool. Use it to answer 34, question 34 and 35. Now 34, the tool shown on the sketch is what? The correct answer is B, which is what? Scriber. And the operation done on the part labeled G is A. Nulling. It's nulling that it was done to that part. Question 36, the symbolic representation of machine surface is simply what? C. That's the correct answer is what? C. Number 37, which of the following views shows the correct dimension of a thread? The correct answer here is C. The correct answer is C. So the letter comes before the number, not the number before the letter. Question 38. The type of sectioning shown in figure 17 is nothing but offset sectioning. And that is A. The answer is A. Question 39. It said the figure 18. Figure 18 shows a through hole in a hexagonal bolt and nut. Which of the following loading device is suitable for hole level T? The correct answer is nothing but what? Dowel pin. The answer is D. And lastly, the profile of a screw thread is normally a helix. The profile of a screw thread is usually a helix. This brings us to the end of this tutorial. Now, if you find this particular video educative, please why not drop a comment for us? I appreciate that. Just like, comment, and have something beautiful for you. Just like I'm about. If you see along this video, there is an online tutorial class I want to start anytime soon. So those of you who will be interested to enroll with my classes online, it's going to be comprehensive. Please, the link is provided in the description below. Kindly click on it and join the group in WhatsApp so that when officially we launch this lecture, you'll be the first person to be notified. Then we can tell you how the event, the learnings will go, we will discuss, and then know how we will make it a success. You will benefit, I will benefit. Please, if you have a brother or sister who is in a school where you feel they are not getting the real knowledge or well training in this technical drawing, but you want to do well, or even if you're in a school where they teach very well, but you want to really teach technical drawing, the lesson properly, then do not forget to enroll in the group so that when I officially, launch the program online tutorial classes, you will be informed and we will know how we're going to go about these things. So thank you for following me and my thumbs up to all of you. Please, like I said, don't forget to follow this channel. Share the link of this particular video to as many people as you are in your group, your friends, and everywhere. Copy it and send it to them so that more people can learn and get more on that. Like I said, I am still having a way to put in plans to see. I have said it in previous videos when I will start teaching some questions that have to do with essay part. As for the tutorial in practical part, is a bigger job that will be done in a special time. Thank you for listening and God bless you.